The CX610G is an auto leveling line laser, and there's quite a few features about this laser that make it quite unique. Firstly, it comes in the hard case and has a standard 2-year no bullshit warranty. The laser itself has a self-leveling range of 5 degrees and an operating range of around 30 meters indoors or outdoors when using the dots. We can get an optional receiver and operate that laser in pulse mode and increase the range outside up to around 80 meters. So it's a fantastic laser. Now, some of the features that make this laser so good. Firstly, it rotates on its central plumb point. So we do get a plumb laser when we turn on the horizontal beam, and it will rotate on that beam. That makes this laser ideal for sight squaring and setup. So we simply put the plumb laser over our mark out point and then rotate the laser to a reference point to get our first line and pick up right angles both on the left and right. Now, in that horizontal beam, when we turn it on, there is a dot in the middle of the horizontal beam, and that is very visible. We can see that up to 30 meters outside in broad daylight. So we can use that to align to something or a mark on our sight, and we know that we've visibly got that correct in alignment. The laser's powered off the rechargeable batteries, so they're 2000 milliamp hour lithium ion rechargeable batteries. They're charged from a USB charger which comes with the laser, but we've always got access to USB chargers in this day and age. Now, if we're wanting some added accessories with that laser, we can go and build our own laser. We can get that optioned with the LLR 705 laser receiver, and as I said, that will now increase our range outside up to 80 meters, and that will pick up both the vertical lines and the horizontal lines. We also have a millimeter receiver, the LLR 805mm, and that's got a pickup range of 120 millimeters, and that will read 25 mil above and below the level indicator. It makes it nice and easy for us to work out where we are. We have the rear LCD display, so I can stand behind that receiver and see what my receiver's doing. So it really is a great bit of kit. We've also got the magnets on the top and side, which helps for suspended ceilings or any sort of internal fit out. So that laser there, we simply unlock the pendulum to get it level, and as I said, it will automatically level within that 5 degrees. Then we can turn on the horizontal, so we've got a horizontal beam coming out the front, which has got around 140 degree arc angle. So we're going to pick up an entire work site if we sit that laser over in one corner. Then we can turn on our front and rear verticals, our side verticals, so we've got 4 vertical lines, and that's what makes this laser so great for sight squaring and set out. We've got a fine adjuster there on the laser itself, so we can adjust that laser left or right to make that vertical alignment a really easy task. We could add a tripod and staff if we want that in our package. And finally, we've got the auto track base, which makes the sight squaring an absolute breeze. So we set the laser up on top of the auto track base. We power the auto track base on and the receiver that comes with that base, and then that laser will automatically track to that receiver when we tell that laser to come and find the receiver, and it makes vertical alignment a breeze. And as I said, with that laser, because we're picking up left and right, we can pick up our right angles really quite easy. So if you're wanting a laser that's going to offer you more features and more functionality, grab yourself the CX610G from RedBack Lasers.